Save money and enjoy life. How to save hundreds per month, and still buy what you love. There are several ways to save money each month while still being able to buy the things you love. Some strategies include creating a budget. Determine how much money you have coming in and going out each month, and then set limits for yourself on how much you can spend in each category. Cutting back on unnecessary expenses. Look for areas where you can trim your spending, such as cutting cable or reducing your phone bill. Finding ways to save on the things you do buy. Shop around for the best prices, use coupons and discounts, and consider buying used or refurbished items. Increasing your income. Look for ways to earn more money, such as taking on a side job or freelancing. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month, so that you are less likely to spend the money. Prioritize your spending. Identify what is important to you and what you value most, and then allocate your spending accordingly. Remember, the key is to be mindful of your spending and to make a conscious effort to save money each month. With a little bit of planning and discipline, you can save hundreds of dollars each month while still being able to buy the things you love. What percentage we should save for future use from annually, monthly, and daily budget. The percentage of your budget that you should save for future use will depend on your individual financial goals and circumstances. However, financial experts generally recommend the following savings guidelines. Annually, aim to save at least 20% of your annual income. This will help you build a solid emergency fund, save for retirement, and reach other long-term financial goals. Monthly, break down your annual savings goal into a monthly amount, and try to save that amount each month. For example, if you want to save 20% of your annual income, which is $24,000, you would aim to save $2,000 per month. Daily, break down your monthly savings goal into a daily amount, and try to save that amount each day. For example, if you want to save $2,000 per month, you would aim to save around $66.66 per day. It's important to note that these are general guidelines and may not be appropriate for everyone. Your savings percentage should be based on your specific financial goals and circumstances. Also, it's important to have a balance of saving for future and enjoying your present. You should also consider your lifestyle, financial needs, and if you have any outstanding debt that need to be paid off. There are several ways to protect your money and plan for important future expenses such as weddings, children's education, and retirement. Some of the best ways include creating a budget and sticking to it. This will help you stay on track with your savings goals and ensure that you are putting enough money aside for these future expenses. Starting a savings account. Opening a savings account specifically for these future expenses will help you keep your money separate and easily accessible when needed. Investing. Investing your money can help it grow over time and provide you with a larger sum to use for these expenses in the future. Retirement plan. Consider enrolling in a 401k or IRA plan through your employer, or opening a Roth IRA on your own. These plans allow you to save for retirement on a tax-advantaged basis. Children education. Look into education savings options such as a 529 plan or a Coverdell ASA. These plans are specifically designed to help families save for their children's future education expenses. Wedding plan. Set a savings goal and start saving as early as possible. Look into ways to cut costs, such as having a smaller wedding or choosing a less expensive venue. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor who can help you create a personalized plan that suits your needs. Money protection refers to measures taken to safeguard your money and assets from loss, theft, or other risks. Some ways to protect your money include keeping your money in a bank or credit union. These institutions are FDIC insured, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000 per depositor. Using a secure method for online transactions. Be sure to use a secure connection and a credit card or a third-party payment service like PayPal when making online transactions. Protecting your personal information. Keep your personal information, such as your social security number and banking information, safe by not sharing it with anyone and being cautious of phishing scams. Insuring valuable possessions. Consider insuring valuable possessions such as jewelry, artwork, and collectibles to protect them in case of loss or damage. Having an emergency fund. Having a savings account with 3 to 6 months of living expenses in case of unexpected events such as job loss, illness or accidents can help you weather through difficult times. Diversifying your investments. Diversifying your investments can help reduce your risk and protect your money from market fluctuations. Updating the software of your devices. Keeping your computer, mobile phone, and other devices updated with the latest security software can help protect you from hacking and malware attacks. It's important to keep in mind that no single method can provide 100% protection for your money. But implementing a combination of these strategies can help you safeguard your assets and reduce your risk.